Hello Savage Cats, welcome back to the anti-bully... What are you laughing at? Savage Cats, welcome back to the anti-bully movement headquarters. Excuse the I got punched, not by a farmer. Basically, I want to cook a high protein meal. Black beans from Aldi. These beans are like 39p or something stupid, maybe 49p, I can't remember. I want to make a high protein meal. When I'm not exposing bullying facilities and exposing evil industries, I like to cook high protein meals to show people how easy it is to get the protein in. Now, protein is overly spoken of. It's like protein this, protein that. There is a big emphasis on protein, but the reason it's important is because you obviously need to eat a certain amount, especially when you're training, but also when you go out and you're eating carbs and you're drinking carbs, it makes sense that when you've got the chance to focus on high protein meals. Right, no faffing about. I'm gonna go Jamaican style. Anyone who used to watch my cooking videos, I don't like to weigh stuff, it annoys me. Unless it's like got to be like accurate, but I'll just chuck stuff in a pan and just work out what I need. So anyway, 2 onions. I'm gonna chuck the onions in. I'm gonna chuck some oil in with the onions in the pan. Don't be a wetter, make your cooking better. Just realised this, and it's good because I'm doing a Jamaican dish. I've had some banana blossom in the cupboard for, it might be out of date actually. I've been in here for ages. 6th to the 11th. Will I get away with that? I'm going to do it anyway. This is for me. I'm going to eat this, no one else. So this one's marinated, and I don't want it marinated because I think they marinate, yeah, they do it for fish, like vegan fish. I don't want that one, so I want a plain one. So what I'm going to do is put it in a pan and just boil it for 5 minutes. Obviously it's meant for fish. People use it for vegan fish, but today it's going in the Jamaican bean I don't even know what I'm cooking yet. I'm just going to make it. I'm going to make it up as I go along, but there we go. I'm going to boil that with a little bit of salt just for 5 minutes. Now some people comment, oh, you need to use this salt and you need to do this and that. I'll stay healthy, but I'm not like bothered about little things. I just think, look, eat plants. It's Monday to Friday, clean. Weekend, a little bit dirtier. So yeah. I do not claim to be a health guru. There's already enough studies to show that plant eaters, I'm scared to say vegans now, see, I'm scared to say vegans because of the vegan Karens. There's studies to show that vegans, you know, live healthy lives. I'm not here for that, I'm here for high protein, Jamaican, bean-centric meals. Garlic, oh, in the press. Bang, get it in. And tonight I'm off to a night mission. Obviously that will be aired whenever it's aired, but I need some food to take with me, and I thought, why not have a spicy Jamaican style meal prep. That's rubber, by the way, that's rubber, not plastic. Bit of smoked paprika in there like that. Gonna go black pepper, don't be shy. Now thyme can be savage, so I'm just gonna give it maybe 1 teaspoon. And also, we would like some chili flakes. Not too much. Stir again. And then just before I take the banana blossom off, I'm going to give that another little sprinkle of garlic, just because hopefully that's just took a bit of the bitterness out of the banana blossom now. And the flavour, whatever flavour they've marinated it with. Sorry, it's marinated. People cheat me for this, but I just think it's an easy way to chop certain things up. Some people use their hands to pull it apart and whatever, but just get some scissors, chop it into strips, press out the moisture like that. But if you do want to try this, just get plain banana blossom. Like I said, beans, Aldi, 39p, 49p, whatever it is, you can really get your plant protein in for mega cheap. Plant Geezer Coaching is the first service in the UK that is 100% vegan and combines a coaching service with high protein meal preps and high protein brownies delivered to your door. You will work one-to-one with myself on health goals, fitness goals, muscle building, fat loss, lifestyle changes, health improvements. You get 24/7 WhatsApp support, weekly check-ins, ongoing motivation, fitness plans, and also help with recipes. The package doesn't end there. On top of the coaching service and the 12 meal preps delivered to your door, we also throw in 6 high protein, freshly cooked vegan brownies to help you with your protein target. And just to finalise the deal, 10% of all our revenue from this service will go directly to any animal rights organisation or sanctuary of your choice. The onion, the garlic, the spices, the banana blossom, and now I'm going to chuck 3 cans of beans in like that. Give it a mix around. Like I said, I do love it. So I'm going to whack some more of that on. Stock cube in. I'm going to go half a teaspoon of jerk and also about a teaspoon of that one, which is like a mashed up version. Give that a twizzle like that. Always batch cook, even if it's a mini batch cook. Whack them in the fridge, whack them in the freezer. It doesn't make sense to me to spend time cooking one meal that takes you an hour or 45 minutes when you can cook 4, put them in the fridge. Even if you forget about them, a month later, you've got a nice frozen meal to heat up. Anyway, whack that in there. Coconut milk from Sri Lanka, not Thailand. Not all Thai milk is bad, but they are known for abusing monkeys, training them to get the coconuts and whipping them if they disobey orders. And we don't like bullies, so try and stick to Sri Lankan milk. Give that a big stir around. And just like when I said about freezing meals, here's some rice. It's probably been in there 4 or 5 weeks. Get that out, heat it up, bang it with that, job done. Lovely. I'm just going to leave that on medium for a little bit to sizzle, and I'm going to just cover it with this. I did actually have a lid for this pan, but I ran outside not long back for a delivery, left the pan somewhere and it's gone. The lid is gone, so I'm using that. Don't want it to sizzle, you want it to just bubble slightly. Like that, that's it, we'll leave it there for 5. In, like that, boomtown. But yeah man, I just wanted some beans, I don't know why, I don't really eat beans. I have a lot of tofu, but bean wise, I don't really have a lot of beans. So we've got 54 gram of protein in the beans. We've got probably, I don't know, 10 to 15 gram in the rice. And there we have a lovely protein packed Jamaican style coconut creamy carnival for the road. Honestly, that's good man. Like, it's a little bit stringy as well, like for all, oh look at that, beautiful. I didn't think that banana blossom would actually be that nice, but beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps anyone who wants to whack up a quick high protein bean dish and take it on the road with some lovely deep Jamaican style flavours. Thank you for checking into that anti-bullying headquarters. Do not like, do not subscribe. You are not the one true savage.